Alright boys, change of plans. We're going to Connecticut. Boys, we made it to New York. I know I've said that we're gonna go to the track this weekend, but today my boy texted me, he said, hey, come down, visit me. So I booked a flight and I'm here now. He's gonna be picking me up, and I got a pretty special surprise. He has a 1200 horsepower GTR that we're gonna be taking tomorrow. So just stay tuned and we'll take you for a ride. All right. Yo, what up?
Okay.
All right, so plans changed. Today we were supposed to go to my buddy's house. He has a 1600 horsepower GTR, and we actually took it for a ride last night, and we did a couple pulls. So actually, I'll show you the videos now. Low boost.
Yeah.
Jesus.
It spun a little bit too. You feel it?
Yeah.
So it would have went a little.
God damn. That's fucking wild. I thought my car was fast. This is like next level.
Oh, why did it spin, man?
Supposed to go out this morning. We're gonna take it for a ride, go over the car, show you guys the whole car, do some pulls. I guess last night we just he had a little bit too much fun, and now this morning he's like, he can't wake up. So we might go to his house later on tonight. I'm not really sure, but if we don't, at least he got a couple videos. I was really hoping to do a full video on the car, but it is what it is. We're heading to Cars and Coffee now. Go. we're back in Texas. We made it all the way back last night and kind of sucks. We didn't get to do what we wanted to do while we were there. I wanted to take the GTR for a ride during the day and do a whole video around it, but unfortunately, like I said, some things happened, so we didn't get a chance to do it. The next thing we do have to do is we have to get the car ready for the track for this Friday. So there's a couple of things I want to do. The first thing, I ended up picking up a digital air fuel ratio for the electronic boost controller, because it has an option to have like a safety switch. So if the air fuel ratio is like too high, it will just cut the boost and we won't be boosting with a lean condition. So I definitely want to do that because I just don't want to blow up the motor. So before we go to the track, I want to put that thing on. The second thing I want to do is right on the turbo here, the line that comes into the boost controller, this line here that goes right to the turbo, it's a straight fitting that I have coming off the turbo, and I didn't realize this, but the filter is actually pushing onto it, so it's cranking the line, and I think that's why I'm having a few of the issues with the boost, where sometimes it's high, sometimes it's low. So I have to get a 90 for that, and that way the line's not crimped. The third thing we have to do is I actually emailed the tuner this morning and I asked him for a tune with a lot less timing on it, and hopefully with that we'll get rid of all the timing corrections. If the tune doesn't fix it, then we know it has to be the built motor, because I just ran out of options. Like I said, sometimes we get timing corrections, sometimes we don't, but that's the last of the options. Other than that, this week we'll probably either post a video of this. I did start a video already. You can kind of see like a sneak peek what I've been working on, but I wanted to do a couple more things before I posted this video. But I'm definitely going to post a video of fixing all the things here and getting this ready for the track. And like I said, we have like some type of storm right now in Texas with a lot of rain, but the rain's supposed to stop on Wednesday or Thursday, so we should be good for Friday. So yeah, like I said, there should be a couple videos coming up, especially with the track, so stay tuned. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.